Hello friends, as usual, welcome to my exam coaching classes. So let us continue with our previous year's question paper solutions. Okay, so before starting, let me thank you for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. Okay, so as usual, we are continuing with the previous year question papers and let us go to the first question. Yeah, before going to the questions, let me tell you students, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe for this channel so that whenever I upload new question papers, new videos, the notifications will definitely come to you. Apart from that, I have a surprise for you. We are going to start a mini course from 1st February to 5 February. This is a free course for 5 days. This is a free course for 5 days and we will be covering the complete quantitative aptitude, the reasoning techniques and some of the English language comprehension and all in this course. And since it is a mini course, we will not be able to cover the complete syllabus. So we are going to do the important part. What are the important things? What are the shortcut methods? What are the various government exams in India and what are the syllabuses for those exam. Everything will be covered in this 5-day course and it is a 5-day mini course. So if you really want to join this mini course, it is absolutely free. It is a free course and every day we will have classes from 8 to 9 p.m. So the details are given and a link is given in the description. So if you want to join for this course, you can kindly join. A Google form is given, you can register and you can register absolutely free. It is a free course for 5 days from 1st February to 5 February every day evening 8 to 9 p.m. Okay, it is an online course and we will be covering quantitative aptitude, reasoning and English comprehension and English language techniques. Okay, so complete shortcut methods, how to solve the questions using shortcut methods, it will be completely covered in these 5 days. So it will be very useful for you. Okay, so let us go to the question and kindly go to the description and register today for this 5 days course. Okay, so the question is here. The ratio of two numbers is 3:8 and the first number is 69. Find the sum of the numbers. These type of questions we have already solved in the previous question papers. So now it is easy for you. You might have practiced it. So let us solve it. Whenever we have this type of questions, the ratio is given 3:8. So we will take the number as 3x and 8x. 3x and 8x. Now the first number is given to you. First number is 69. So 3x will be equal to 69. We want the sum of these numbers. We want the sum of these two numbers, right? So 3x is given 69, but we don't know what is 8x. So from 3x, if 3x is 69, then I can find out x is equal to 69 by 3. So 69 by 3 will be equal to what? 23. Now if x is 23, I can find out what is 8x also. So 8x will be equal to what? 8 into 23. So this will become 3 8s are 24, balance 2, 16 plus 2, 18. So 184. So the first number is 69 and the second number is 184. First number we got 69, it is given in the question, and second number now we found out what is that? 184. So what we want the sum of the numbers. So sum of the numbers will be equal to what? We have to just add 184 plus 69. So we will get this as 3, 14 plus 1, 15 and 2. 253 is the correct answer. So from the given option, you can check 253 is here, option C. So option C is the correct answer. So this is the complete solution I have given, but you need not to do the whole things here when you go for the exam. If you complete the whole step, then it will be very difficult for you to solve all the questions. We want what? We want time saving method. So what is the shortcut method for this? It is given, don't write all 3x and 8x and all. This is for explaining the question I have written here. From here, what you have to do is, we have seen 3x and 8x. Now I will tell you what is the shortcut method. Here what is that? 3x and here 8x. So total we have 11x. So understand the shortcut method. Now I am telling you what is the shortcut method. So shortcut method, you have to use this way. Here we have 3x and 8x. So we will get total 11x. So 11x is that sum. 11x will be the sum. That is what we need to find out. So 3x is given 69. So 3x is given 69. First number 69. If 3x is 69, then x will be equal to what? X will be equal to 23. So here you have to write 11 into 23. So you can write the answer 2 and 3. 2 plus 3, 5 at the middle. So from one single line, you can find out the answer, and you got 253 as the correct answer. Let me explain this once again. What we have to do is, question it is given 3:8. So we want to find out the sum. Sum means total 3 plus 8, 11x. Now we want what is x. For that it is given 3, first number 3x is equal to 69. 3x is equal to 69 means we got x is equal to 23. So multiply that 11 into 23. How will you multiply a number by 11? That we have already seen in the shortcut methods. 11, 23 multiplied by 11. What you can put? Put this 2 here, put this 3 here, and 2 plus 3, 5 in the middle. So 253 is the answer. For calculating all these things, please don't waste time. Just look at the number and write the answer. And within 2-3 seconds, you can calculate this and find out the answer. So you should not, total reading and marking the answer, you should not spend more than 30-40 seconds for this question. Very, very important question. So shortcut method is very, very important. Let us go to the next question. The next question is here. Mohan invested 3,000 rupees for 3 months and Prabin invested 2,400 for 4 months. If they gained 1,860, how much Prabin will get? Now again, let us write what are the important things given. Here Mohan is investing 3,000 rupees, and for how many months? He is investing 3,000 rupees for 3 months. So total his investment is 9,000. And Prabin invested how much? 2,400 rupees, and for how many months? 4 months. So multiplied by 4, 24 into 4, 96, 9,600. Total they gained 1860, means profit is equal to 1860. So now how much Prabin will get out of this 1860? Now here you can see M is to P, Mohan is to Prabin. It is 9,000 rupees invested by Mohan and 9,600 rupees invested by Prabin. So you can cut these zeros and these zeros, and when you substitute, simplify it with the 6, 6 will go 15 times, 6 will go 16 times. So we got the ratio 15x is to 16x. Now 15x Mohan will get and 16x Prabin will get. So total how many x? 15x plus 16x, total it will be 31x. So 1860 will be equal to 31x. We want to find out what? We want to find out how much Prabin will get. How much Prabin will get? So Prabin will get 16x. So 16x will be equal to how much? 1860 divided by total 31 multiplied by 60. Right, that will be 16x. So now you can cut this 31. Here it will go 6 times 60. So 60 multiplied by 16. So this will become 960. So 960 will be the answer for Prabin. This is the value, this much rupees Prabin will get. Accordingly, you can mark option A as the correct answer. Now let us see what is the shortcut method for this. What is the shortcut method? ये क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करने के लिए शॉर्टकट मेथड क्या है? We will see what is the shortcut method. Here we have seen 3,000 rupees for 3 month Mohan and 2,400 rupees 4 month Prabin. So here you got, what you have to do is 3,000. You can cut these 2 zeros here. You can cut these 2 zeros here. Just what I am doing, 3,000 for 3 months and 2400 for 4 months. Cut this 2 zeros here, this 2 zeros here. 30 into 3, this will become 90. 24 into 4, this will become 96. Now 96 or 90 when you cut, it become 15 by 15 is to 60. Now total is how much? Total is 1860. So that 1860 divided by 15 plus 16. A 15 plus 16 will become 31 multiplied by, if you want Prabin, then multiply by 16. If you want to find out for Mohan, multiply by 15. This question we have to find out for Prabin. So multiply by 16. Same question, if you want to find out for Mohan, then you have to multiply by 15. So now cut this 31 and 161 60 times. 60 multiplied by 16, you got 960. So what I want to tell you, don't do all these calculations. ये पूरा calculation करके time waste नहीं करना. What you have to do is just write the shortcut method and find out the answer. More and more question when you solve, your speed will definitely increase. So that is the reason I told you, if you are really looking for cracking your competitive exams in 2023, from 1st February say we are starting our course, that is mini course for 5 days, 1st February to 5 February. The link is given in the description. Kindly join for that course. Every day from 8 to 9 p.m. we will study quantitative aptitude shortcut method. Complete shortcut method I will teach you. The complete shortcut method I will teach you in these 5 days. Okay, kindly join and the link is given in the description. So shortcut methods are very, very important. Bina shortcut method, we cannot solve all the questions. Very important for all the competitive exams. Next question. What is the next question? The average age of 3 person is 45 and their ages are in the ratio 2:3:4. Find the difference between the ages of the youngest and the ages of the eldest. So now average age of 3 person 45. So average multiplied by total. So average is 45. How many members? 3 members. We got 135. 135 is the total. Ratio. What is the ratio? 2:3:4. Means 2x, 3x and 4x. Total how many x? Total x will be 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9x. So we got 9x is equal to 135. So x will be equal to what? Cut this 135 by 9. How many times? 1 and 5. 15 times. X we got 15. So what will be the first number? 2x will be equal to 30 and 3x will be equal to 45 and 4x will be equal to 60. Why? Because we got x is equal to 40. X is equal to 15. X is equal to 15. So 2x will be 15 into 2, 30. X is equal to 15. So 3x will be 3 into 15, 45. X is equal to 15. So 4x will be 4 into 15, 60. So we got these all are the 3 values and average is 45. What is asked in the question? The difference between ages of the youngest and eldest. Youngest kone, who is the youngest? 30. Who is the eldest? 60. So 30 and 60, youngest and eldest. What is the difference between these two? Difference kya hoga? What will be the difference? Difference is equal to 60 minus 30, which is equal to 30. So 30 is the answer. Accordingly, we can find out from the given option 30 years. Option D is the correct answer. Now let us solve it using shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? The average age of 3 person is 45. Don't worry. Let us write like this. 2x, 3x, 4x. 2x, 3x, 4x. Total we got 9x equal to average of 3 person 45. So 45 into 3. Average of 4 person, 3 person is 45. 45 into 3 equal to 9x. Cut this 3, cut this 9, 3 times. Cut this 3 and this 45, 15 times. we got x is equal to 15. What we want? We want the difference between youngest and eldest. Youngest क्या होगा? Youngest will be equal to x 15 है तो 2x will be equal to 30 and 4x will be equal to 60. ये दोनों का difference will be equal to 30. So very fast you can calculate using shortcut methods and find out and write the answer as option D, 30 years. This type of questions are very common in IBPS, Staff Selection Commission, CGL, CHSL, all competitive exams में ऐसे questions आते हैं. So practice more, okay, and download the sample papers and practice more. Next question. The average of 4 consecutive odd numbers. This type of questions we have done a lot of question. Consecutive odd number, consecutive even number, everything we have done a lot of questions. So this is easy for you. Average of 4 consecutive odd number. 4 consecutive odd number is x, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6. Average of 4 number. So all this you have to add and divided by 4, you got 24. That means x plus x, x and here also x. Total 4x. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 6, 12. Divided by 4 equal to 24. So you can say 4x plus 12 is equal to cross multiple karo 96. So 4x is equal to 96. This plus 12 इस साइड में आएगा तो minus 12 हो जाएगा. So 96 minus 12, 84. So x is equal to 21. We got x is equal to 21. So this is 21. This number will be 21. This number will be x plus 2, 23. This number will be x plus 4, that is 25. This number will be x plus 6, that is 27. Now what we want? We want the product of second and fourth. Second number 23, last number, fourth number 27. So 27 and 23, we want the product. Product means multiplication. 3 sevens are 21, balance 2. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 14. 6 plus 14, 20 plus 2, 22. Again balance 2. 2 twos are 4 plus 2, 6. 621. So 621 is the correct answer. How to write number multiplication in single line? This is called crisscross method, shortcut method. Very fast you can calculate the multiplication of 2 numbers, 3 numbers, etc. That we will be solving, we will be studying in the mini course, and the video already have uploaded, previous video, you can watch that also. Okay, so 621 is the correct answer. Now let me tell you how to do this question as a shortcut method. So shortcut method mein we have consecutive odd numbers is 24 consecutive odd number. So always understand, whenever we have 4 consecutive odd number sum, it will be equal to 4x plus 12. Remember all these things. 4x plus 12 will be equal to 4 consecutive odd number, that is 24 multiplied by 4. We have average is 24 and total number 4. So average multiplied by total number, how many numbers are there? 4 numbers. So multiplied by 4, we got 4x plus 12. 4x plus 12 is the sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers or even numbers. Now from here, what we can do is 4x is equal to 24 into 4, 96 minus 12 equal to 84. So we got x is equal to 21. Now we can find out the product of second and fourth. First number will be x, last number will be x plus 6. So x is equal to 21. So second number will be 23 and last number will be 27. When you multiply these two, we got 621. Accordingly, you can mark 621 as the correct option. So shortcut method में कैसे calculate करना है वो सीखो and increase your speed. Then only you can crack all these questions within time. I'm telling you, you should not take more than 30-40 seconds for these questions. 30-40 seconds में ये complete होना चाहिए. Next question. A train 220-meter long take 20 seconds to cross a platform 420-meter long. What is the speed of the train? Here, suppose there is a platform and this platform is 420 meter, and suppose a train is coming from here, and the train is 220 meter, and it will cross like this, and completely it crosses when it reaches here. Okay, the train will reaches here, and the time taken will be equal to 20 seconds. What is the speed of the train? Speed of the train we have to calculate. So now I'll tell you, speed is given by the formula we have seen. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. This is very important formula. Now we should know what is the distance and what is the time. So here, when the train reaches here, it covers the full area up to here, and when the backside of the train reaches here, the front will reach here. So this is also the 220 meter is also added here. So the total distance covered will be 420 plus 420 plus 220. So total distance is equal to 640 meter, and time taken is equal to 20 seconds. So what is speed? Speed is equal to distance 640 meter divided by time 20 seconds. So 0 or 0 we can cut. 2 in 64, 32 times. So we got the answer is equal to 32 meter per second. So this is the total calculation I told you, 32 meter per second. Accordingly, from given options, option B, we can mark 32 meter per second as the correct option. But if you calculate all these things by drawing the figure and all, you will not get time to solve it. So we want shortcut method. So what is the shortcut method for this? Remember this formula, speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. This formula you have to remember. Now, whenever you have question like this, speed we have to find out. Speed is equal to distance. Distance will be the total of length of the train and length of the platform. Understand this concept very clear. Distance will be equal to train का length और platform का length add करो. The length of the train plus length of the platform. Total कितना है? 220 and 420. This will become 640. That is the distance. And what is the time taken? 20 seconds. It is given divided by 20. So total we got 32. 640 is in meter. Time is in second. So this is meter per second. Understand very clearly, by writing just one line, you can find out the answer. Just one line, you can find out the answer if your concept is very, very clear. What is the concept here? Speed is equal to distance by time. This formula you have to remember. And distance kahan se milega? Distance will be equal to total length of the train and platform. Length of the platform total. So total you got 640. Time is given 20. So speed is equal to distance by time formula mein dalke we can find out the answer 32 meter per second. Very, very important question. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance equal to speed into time. All this formula you have to remember very clearly. Some questions we have to find out speed. Some questions we have to find out time. Some questions we have to find out distance. So this formula is very, very important. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Time is equal to distance upon speed, and distance is equal to speed into time. This formula are very, very important. Mark this formula and study this formula. Then shortcut method you can easily find out. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt in all these questions, you can put it in the comment box, and please do write in the comment box so that I can find out and I can put more videos for clearing your doubts. Okay, next question. Now this question is about simple interest. Again, this question is also taken from the previous question papers. So at what rate of interest we have to find out? हमें rate of interest find out करना है. Sum becomes 4 times of itself in 10 years. Sum becomes 4 times. Principal amount P and total amount will become 4P. In how many years? T, time is 10 years of simple interest. So now we have simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. So now what is simple interest? If the total amount is 4P, you are investing P and you get 4P, so your interest, simple interest will be equal to 3P. Understand this way, अगर आपने 1000 रुपीस जमा किया और आपको 4000 रुपीस मिला, देन आपका इंटरेस्ट रहेगा 3000 रुपीस. If you invest 1000 rupees in a bank, if you invest 1000 rupees in a bank and you are getting total 4000 rupees, then your interest will be equal to 3000 rupees. Using this concept, you are investing P and you are getting 4P, so your interest will be equal to 3P. So interest SI we got 3P. 3P is equal to 1P you have invested multiplied by R by 100. That is what we want to find out. Multiplied by time is 10 years. Now you can see simplification. Cut this P and this P. Cut this 10, 100 में 10 times. So we got 3 is equal to R by 10. Cross multiple karo, so you got R is equal to 30%. So we got the answer 30% is the correct answer. So option A is the correct answer. So now let me tell you once again with a shortcut method. We want to find out a simple interest, 10 years diya hai time diya hai 10 years, or at what rate, R by 100. That is what we have to find out. A sum becomes 4 times itself. Whenever we have 4 times, immediately write interest will be equal to 3P. This is the thing we need to remember. 4 times अगर interest ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, so total interest will be equal to 3P. You are investing P and it becomes 4P. So your interest will be 3P. So now we can easily find out what 3P is equal to P into R into 10 by 100. So cut this 0, 0, cut this P, and cross multiply here itself, it becomes 30 equal to R. So accordingly you can find out total rate of interest will be equal to 30%. Okay, so again with more and more questions we will meet in the next class. And before concluding, let me remind you once again, if you have any doubt regarding any question for your competitive exams, please write in the comment box or call me in this number or WhatsApp me in this number. I can solve all the problems, okay, and I can help you. And again reminding you, 1st February to 5 February we have mini course on competitive examination. Kindly join. The link is given in the description. Please click on the link and join now. And 3rd, my exam coaching app is given in the description. Kindly download the app. You can download the complete sample papers, mock test series, question papers, previous year question papers, videos, everything absolutely free. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, I request you subscribe now so that more and more videos will come to you and notification also will reach to you fast. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We'll meet with a new topic in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.